Okay. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to master knotless invisible feeding braids by yourself at home, step by step. So if you want your hair to look like this, then keep on watching. Step 1, the first thing we're going to do is section off our hair. Step 2, we're going to be moisturizing and sealing our hair. I'm using this. Everything that I'm going to be using will be in the description box below. Make sure to start off and freshly wash hair. Make sure that you don't skip this step by moisturizing and sealing your hair. This is going to protect the hair from drying out. Really make sure you moisturize your hair, and not to really saturate the hair, but really make sure you add enough moisturizer to keep your hair protected. Don't skip oiling your scalp. You will need your scalp to be hydrated when you're doing this type of style. What I did was went ahead and sectioned off what we're going to use. That's what I'm using. And step 3, you're going to start braiding your hair as you would normally. So now that we're braiding our hair as you would normally to get that seamless look, you're going to grab your first section and put the hair behind your finger like this, and then grab your hair with the braids and continue braiding. There are about 6 different methods in order to get your knotless invisible braids to look like this. This is by far the easiest way to get it done. What you want to do is grab your extension. When you have your extension and you're using your pointer finger, you grab the extension, put it behind your finger, grab your hair, and continue to braid as you normally would. Grab the extension, put it behind your finger, grab your hair, and continue to braid downwards. I choose this style to go backwards because it's the easiest. Grab your hair, grab the extension, then grab your hair together with the extension and continue to braid. I'm going to show you what this looks like when I turn around. You're probably going to get a better view when I turn around so that you can see how I place the extension onto my finger. Grab your extension, place it behind your finger, then grab your hair with the extension and continue braiding as you normally would. If you learned this method just a while ago, don't forget to like the video so that this video can get out to more people that needs to learn this technique. I found this technique right here on the YouTube University, and I will leave that video in the description box below. What we're going to do now is probably slow it down a little bit so that you guys get a bigger picture of how to place the braid onto your finger. Okay, it's so simple, it's not even funny. Grab your extension, place it onto your finger just like so. Grab your hair and the hair on top together and start braiding like you normally would. So we're going to grab the extension, put it onto your finger, grab your hair with the rest of the braids and continue to braid. Let me know in the comments if this was the simple method for you to follow in order to do this for yourself. You can respond by saying yes. It's simple enough to understand. And then just continue braiding. Okay, so now that we've had everything completed, I am going to continue to dress it up a little bit. Now, I know a lot of people prefer to add the hair into some hot water. This is what it's looking like now, but I'm going to be using my foam to bring everything together. And okay, so I'm going to be using a lot of foam so that it gets rid of the flyaways. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to brush the hair to the back, and then I'm going to leave the styling of the edges for last. Okay, so I'm going to tie that down and leave that to dry, and then I'm going to get all dolled up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to be doing our edges, and this is what I'm going to be using, the edge control. And this is how I decided to do my knotless invisible braids. Some people call it feed-in braids. It doesn't matter. It's still the same thing. And this is the final result. Okay, I don't think I did a very bad job. I may have messed up with the parting. I just have to learn to part a little better. But all in all, the hair turned out pretty good. So I'm going to be leaving this hairstyle for about 4 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hashtag Hair Obsessed Club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.